Yeah. Okay, we're gonna explore some cars today. Got everything I need. And got stand-ups. Anyway. What the hell? Why isn't that going? Okay. Make the play. Let's get this car. Wait, what's that? Anyway. That kill that thing. What the? Okay, let's go get. We're gonna explode this car. Let's exploding cars. Episode 2 is starting in 3. And yeah, we're starting now. Okay, that was cool. That was cool. That was cool. Let's crash into that city. That was a bad idea. Yeah, what is that? What is that? Yeah, what I low key can't get out of this. I'm scared the thing is probably. Oh my god. I am so good at this game. I can't figure out how to. Yes, I got out of that area in the city. Okay, that was so good. Bacteria. The bacteria. Oh, that was so good. We're not going into the city again. Y'all doing it. Oh no, the bacteria is striking again. No. Oh my god, I'm going to destroy. It's going to get destroyed. My car. My car will be destroyed soon. We'll have to exit. Yes! Everyone's a pro in this game. It's impossible. Okay, yeah, I'm so yeah. Destroy this car again. This was so fun. Okay, right. Am I in it? Big dunda. Dunda. That was good. Wait, what the? The bacteria. Get out of here, bacteria. Yo! Wait, where's the party go? This is so OP. I'm good at this game. I am so good at this game. I'm so good at this game. Oh, go up here. Wait. We're going straight for it. We jump. I'm so good at this. Yes, you hear the people screaming in the background because I'm so good at this game, right? Yo, that was so cool. We got like 17. By the way, I did not do mathematics for that because I didn't want to. No. What's the picture? This is really, really bad. Kill him. Kill him. Yes, let's go. Wait, what the? Gotta destroy the car. Destroy the car. That one was good. Yes. Yeah, you can see that my car is gonna explode. Yeah, I died. Yeah, yeah, I exploded the car. That's good. That's good. That's good. Two. Yeah, here. Where am I going? This? Okay. This car, Loki. Oh, oh, good. This is working. I almost hit the other car. Oh no, we don't want to hit the city. That's a bad thing to do. 'Cause I can't get out of bed.
What is back there?
Let's go up the mountain.
That?
Let's go up the mountain. Mountain driving. Yes, this is so good. I'm so happy. It's good. Okay. I'm not all farming right now. But I kind of am. It's actually low-key not all.
No.
Oh, yo, I actually did just all of them.
This is so bad. This is so bad.
Not.
So
What
bad. So bad. So freaking bad. Dang, that's so bad.
bad at driving.
Run.
Can't say that because I'm good at driving. Okay, I actually just exploded my car. Yo, I just got upgraded to the next rank for playing along. Okay. Destroy this.
Yeah.
Oh no. No. Is that the? Oh no. This is really bad.
Ignore the other people screaming in the background because it's just okay. Just ignore the other people screaming in the background. Ignore the other people screaming in my house. Okay, you're doing this.
This is so
Ignore that guy, okay? Everyone.
This is so bad. This is so bad.
I can't get out of this. Ignore the person screaming in the background, like I said.
No, I lost all my progress. I can't believe I lost. Well, how do you think no one else is brave enough to go over this? Oh, just go to the green light. Just follow the green light. There's something here.
Okay, that was not the random person screaming in the background. That was me, just so you know. Because you're not used to me screaming, right? I exploded my car. I low-key exploded my car.
Why does it look like?
Ignore the other person talking in the background, okay? Please just ignore the other person in the background talking. Good day. Getting call. This call is glitchy. Damn. Wait, someone else has a call. Okay. I've heard that this one is easy to destroy.
Die.
If I'm correct, add smaller to be easier to destroy. Ah, I keep getting him second seat. I have to get him a call. Think this one.
Why is it so strong? Kill me. What's coming? Why is he not killing me? How am I not dead right now? How am I not dead right now?
Yay! Ignore the random screaming in the background of my video. Just do that and sub, and that would make my life. That's what would make my life if I could destroy this car. This car is literally invincible. Huh? That's good. I win another week, so it's fun. Don't know, this game is called Explode Cars Nitro, and I recommend playing it on Roblox. It's very fun. No, yo, that was OP. Yeah, this is pretty good. I just have to destroy one more car, okay? Before this video ends.
John Ruffle for videos.
Ignore the person saying it. Almost done.
Wrap it up. Finish up your video. Wait, so got it. Okay, we're good. All right, you can go back to Roblox.
I am actually going to destroy this car soon, so the video will be okay. The video ended. I destroyed my favorite car, and bye, stop, and I'm stopping the video now.